Alright, so we're fixing to get ready to do these big animal paper collages. And I'm going to do it in two parts because it does take a while to do the first part. And I'm not going to do it on here. I'm going to show you so you can start working on it. And then we'll get to drawing and learning how to do all these blending and eyes and these noses after we get all the base work for the first part of it. So I told you would need a poster board or a cardboard box or something big. And you could use a pizza box and everything, and that we were going to cut out a bunch of strips of paper, remember? And I told you could use construction paper, cut up magazines, cut up newspapers, cut up these are old calendars. You see the dates on the back of them. These are old calendars. Anything to give you different textures and different colors of things. So that's what you're going to be doing before we try to have our class again. I know some of you did not get the right link, or you got a different link, or something happened. So anyway, hopefully we can get all this fixed. But the first part, the very important part about gluing these strips down on your base part, which is your cardboard or your poster board, is you're going to need to sit it down. I'm going to stand up and kind of show y'all what I'm talking about, so I might not be in the visualizer so much. But this is my poster board, completed, okay? That is what it's going to look like when you complete it. This is the base of our body, and this is all I want you to be worried about right now. Just putting on all these cut up strips of different varieties of papers, old Christmas cards, cut up old birthday cards, wrapping papers, all so you can have a different kinds of bases. So this is what you're going to do work on now, and I'll go ahead and get this posted on your wall right after in just a minute. But in doing so, now I'm going to lay it down here, and hopefully you can see what I'm trying to explain. When you have it laid out on your desk or on your table, let me show you here. When you have it laid out getting ready to glue these down, the best thing and easiest thing that you need to remember is you need to have a center point, because everything that you glue down is going to radiate out from the center. I'm going to get this other piece of poster board, hold on a minute, and I'm going to go down onto the document camera in just a second. So I'm going to lay this down here. Maybe you can see it from here. And then to give me a middle radiation point, or where it's going to radiate out from, I'm going to just set this paint bottle right here on the middle of my board. And then to start out this, so you'll make sure you get everything radiating out in the right way, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put, let me see if I can get this. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the document camera, so hold on one second. Let me get it coming in. Let's see if I can get it. Here we go. And then I'm going to move it down here so you can actually see this poster board. Let me get it going where y'all can see it. So this is my poster board. This is the middle of my poster board. Hold on. Not there yet. Not there yet either. Hold on. This is the middle of my poster board. You're going to do your first layouts. You're going to glue these strips down, radiating straight away, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab two more just to show you where you start from. Let me grab some down here that I've cut up. Alright, so then you're going to get that one glued on, going straight out, and you're going to set your top point straight out. And everything else, let me put that right there. So it's going to start out like that, and then everything else you glue down is going to radiate out from there, from the middle. Everything goes out from the middle. Everything goes out from the middle. And then as you see, I've got all these empty spots there, so that's where you're going to be gluing other pieces in on top of that. And that's how we make a collage, by gluing strips of paper onto other papers. There's a room that's run out right there, so let me grab a different kind of piece so that I'm going to glue that right there. Whoops, sorry, my whole thing's going away. So that's how you're going to do that. And once we get that done, I will then, let me get this back up here on the other camera. Sorry guys, let me go to the other one. So after we get this base done, which is this part, we'll then work on picking what kind of eyes we want to do, and we'll work on showing you how the blending, the process of getting the eyes and the nose go. So once we do that part, we're going to cut these out. This is where I was telling you would also need 3 pieces of paper. The stock paper if you've got it, or just a regular notebook paper or regular typing paper. And we're going to learn how to do this blending techniques in any color. As you can see, the far one in the green, that's like a cat eye because cats' pupils go that way. So we will cut these out, and we will then glue them onto our boards here. Let me get that out of your way so you can see now. We'll cut these out and we'll glue them onto our boards. The nose will go here in the middle, and we will do a little bit of painting detail to make all of this join together and create an animal out of paper collages. So anyway, let me get this out of the way, and I'm going to post this as quickly as possible, and hopefully we can get all these technical difficulties and things worked out. But I have set up some Zoom times for your classrooms, and they're not posted on the topic wall. The Zoom, the big Z's that are blue, are posted on the classroom, just the main wall of the on the LMS. And you don't need a password, you don't need the ID number, because I've already set it up for you to just click onto that button, and then you'll be in the waiting room and wait to get on. So anyway, that is the base part. And so I don't get this video too long where it rejects me and won't post it and allow me to put it on your walls, I'm going to go ahead and stop this here, and then we'll work on a video with doing the eye blendings up close with the document camera. Alright, thank y'all. Thanks for being patient. Bye.